In this exercise, we will place windows into the building at the office and the break room. To place a window, select the Window tool from the Architecture tab of the ribbon. In the Type selector, choose the window family and the type you want to place. In this case, a fixed window, size 610 by 1220 millimeters is selected. Position the cursor near the wall of the office to place the window. Temporary dimensions may also be used to help in positioning the window. 3 windows are added to the wall between the break room and the storeroom, and 4 more windows are added to the exterior wall of the break room. Sometimes a family that has been loaded into the project may be very close to what is needed, but is not an exact match. For example, the exterior windows we placed look correct and have the right geometry, but they are not the right size. In this case, a new family type can be created from the existing family. Select one of the windows in the model, and then click Edit Type on the Properties palette to open the Type Properties dialog for this window family. To create a new window type of a different size, the current type is duplicated and renamed. Then the type parameters related to the window size are changed to meet the design requirements. Now the other windows we placed are selected and its size changed using the Type selector to select the new window type that we just created. Use dimensions to help you position windows after they are placed. After the windows are approximately placed, a string of aligned dimensions is added. Click the EQ symbol on the dimension string to create an equality constraint on the elements. The windows are positioned with equal spacing in the room. If the size of the room is later changed, the windows will be automatically repositioned to maintain the equality constraint that has been applied to them. The exterior windows to the break room are positioned too low on the wall. To align the windows to the top edge of the reveal in the wall, use the Align tool on the Modify tab, clicking the top edge of the reveal first and then the bottom of the window frame. When the Align tool is used, a lock icon will be displayed near the elements. This lock can be clicked if a constraint needs to be established. If the reveal is changed in the walls, the windows will change position also.